Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's good to have you back on my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn off your trade history on Bybit. So if you are a regular trader on Bybit, you will notice that by default, sometimes when you are buying or selling, you tend to have this trade history on your chart showing you the points where you either bought or sold a security. you know Sometimes it can be very bulky, especially when you are fond of trading one particular coin. Like I trade Bitcoin, so most of the times these symbols on the screen showing you where you bought and where you sold, it's confusing, and sometimes you may need it off your screen so that you can be able to read price action properly. Okay, so there is a way you can change it and turn it off for your settings. All right, so if you want to turn off your trade history so that you stop seeing all these B and S on your screen, you simply need to click on your chart settings right here. So I'm going to click on my chart settings, and from my chart settings menu, you can see I have a lot of things here. I have the drawing, I have the indicator, I have the date and others. All right, now under the order display right here, you can see I have position info, I have current orders, and I have trade history. Okay, so I will just turn off my trade history. You see, they said only the 100 most recent trades will be displayed. All right, so I just need to turn it off. Once I turn it off, as you can see, I don't have my trade history anymore. All right, I don't have it anymore. So whenever you feel like turning it back on, you can just click on the settings and turn it back on again. So the main reason why I'm turning this on and off is because I don't want it to interfere with my analysis when I'm looking at my chart. So you can decide, it depends on your preference anyway. You can decide whether you want to turn it on or turn it off for your chart. Okay, so you don't let it bother you. And that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.